I'm just talking with my manager that just looking forward to what we have to do today about work. I'm having my breakfast and my beautiful drink that I always share with you guys. And you guys asked me for the recipe. This is curd, banana, mango, chia seed. You can add some protein powder if you want. You can add some nuts if you want. And it's very, very tasty. I love it so much. I can have like 2 glasses of this. Of course, I will drink only 1 glass, not 2. Beautiful sheet masks from this brand Biodance. And I'm a really big fan of this brand. I do have 2 other sheet masks with me which I purchased from Nykaa. So this is a PR that they sent me. This is the Rejuvenating Caviar PDRN Real Deep Mask, which is actually so good. I do have the vitamin C version as well. It's so beautiful. This is the first brand, by the way, who came up with that collagen dissolving mask. And after that, every other brand tried to copy that version. Loving my journaling process. It just makes your mind so clear. It just brings you so much joy. If you haven't tried journaling, please do, because I used to think, to be very honest, I used to think that it's such a boring thing. Like what I have to write and I don't know how to start and everything. But I just started on my own. I just started however I want, and they're like, obviously there is no process. If you want to follow a process, you can check out any YouTube video how to start your journaling. But I just randomly write things, and I just randomly try to add things. I try to sketch 100%. I always try to be honest while I'm journaling, because try to do this point, try to be honest, write whatever you want. If you did something bad, try to write that also. It just creates that beautiful feeling inside you, will rectify it, and after years when you will go back to your journal, you will think about it. It's just a very beautiful process. So try to be 100% honest while you're journaling. Try to think that it's you and your journal, no one else here, so you can just write whatever you want. Got my weekend line parcel. This is not a PR. I got this for myself. Most of my jewelry is from this particular website, and I love their collection. Whenever I order from this website, they always pack their items so beautifully, which I really love. They gave me this thank you card and here instruction as well, then a bag to keep my jewelries. Just look at this beautiful packaging, guys. I just don't want to open it. So cute. Okay, so the first item, I ordered everything from their new launch. They recently launched some amazing stuff, and what is this? It's so pretty. Look at this earring. Oh my god, absolutely adorable. I don't know what to say about this anymore. And this one is, I forgot what I ordered. Oh, these pretty simple studs. Absolutely stunning. Then I have this one. And this is, oh my god, so beautiful. These are also studs, but extremely unique and beautiful. Oh my god, guys, this is stunning. Done with my workout and I just took a shower. I didn't wash my hair because it's already washed. Now I am sitting here because I'm going to do my skincare routine and I will just show you guys what products I'm currently using. Now, I don't have a light in front of me, so that's why I'm using my iPad as a light source. I just switched on this video which is like a white light background and it's working pretty well. So yeah, this is my skincare routine, which is something I always do and I always suggest everyone to do it. First step is either this is the plumping serum from this brand called Equalberry. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. The retinol serum, I have used it a lot. Use this Innisfree retinol green tea PDRN skin booster toner. Also, for my morning routine, I use my Inside Cosmetics gel moisturizer that they recently launched. It's really good. For today, I'm going to use this one, and it's like something I always go with. It brings a beautiful glow, and I love anything PDRN. I don't know why, my skin just loves it a lot. Makes my skin so plumping, so beautiful, perfect, natural exfoliating type of a finish. I go in with this. I also use this particular product during my morning skincare routine as well. This is the YBP Hydrating Serum Mist. Now sometimes when you hate your moisturizer and you want something on your face, go in with a mist like this. It contains marshmallow, hibiscus, calendula, and this brand is more towards natural ingredients. I have some products from this brand. I do have a hair serum oil. It's like good, but it's very oily for my hair sometimes, so I use it very little amount. I should have used this first, but anyways. Moisturizer, one is this new moisturizer that I'm using. This is the Farmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer, and another one which I'm almost done with. This is the Green Tea Ceramide Milk Barrier Essence from Innisfree. I love this product so much. This is like your road milk peptide dupe. Definitely it works really well. If you're looking for something for your skin barrier, go in with this one. More for dry skin, I have a combination skin, but I love how it makes my skin feel very hydrating as well. But if you are in a AC room, I think go in with this moisturizer because this is going to make your skin very, very hydrating. I don't think that this is my one single skincare routine, because I do use a lot of product. I do change my skincare routine and I always experiment with makeup and skincare, so it's like my job and nothing is permanent in my routine. I do change it a lot. I always change it. I always change the product. This is my skincare routine. Sometimes I do skip the moisturizer. Sometimes I just go in with my PDRN skin booster toner. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to read a book maybe. I will see you guys on my next vlog.